Welcome back to part 2 of my 3-part mini-series where I am turning leftover rotisserie chicken into 3 completely different meals. My channel Arubakes is about fuss-free cooking that takes minimal effort to make but is crazy delicious. In my last video, I showed you how I turned my leftover rotisserie chicken into a healthy chicken salad. In this, let's make ourselves a good old chicken and sweet corn sandwich that really packs a punch. To make the filling, dice up your rotisserie chicken and pop this into a bowl along with some sweet corn. The corn is optional, but it really adds to this sandwich. To this, add some chopped parsley and dill. I'm also adding some chopped salad leaves so I can have a bit more volume while I'm also getting some added nutrition like vitamin A, C and fiber. Now comes the best part. Load that chicken up with some mayo. I'm doing a mix of mayo and sriracha, but you can do some mustard or even sweet chili sauce. Give that a good mix and set that aside. When it comes to toasting bread, I prefer to butter both sides and give it a quick toast in a pan rather than use the toaster. But you do you. You can definitely go a little bit healthier by swapping out the mayo for some Greek yogurt. But for me, the mayo really hits the spot for this sandwich. Load that toasted bread up with more than a generous amount of that chicken filling. And there you have it, a delicious chicken and sweet corn sandwich, which is the second way of using up the leftover rotisserie chicken. In my previous video, I made a healthy chicken salad, and in part 3, I will be making a chicken soup. I hope I have inspired you to try this out at home and to stop eating the same old boring leftovers. See you in the next video. Bye!